welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is hagios. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is hagios. In English, it means holy, set apart, hagios. To be holy is to be consecrated to God, belonging entirely to Him. And St. Peter reminds us in 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 16, hagioi esiste, hoti ego, hagios emi. Be holy, for I am holy. Holiness is not an optional extra. It is the very calling of every Christian. And we have certain words related to it, like hagiography. What is hagiography? These are writings on the saints. The saints are not superhuman, but ordinary men and women who allowed God to claim them completely. Yung binabasa ninyong talambuhay ng santo, that is hagiography. And Paul tells the Corinthians, you are God's temple and God's Spirit dwells in you. Kung ikaw ay banal, if you are holy, ayun, tratuhin mo yung sarili mo ng maayos kasi ikaw ay templo ng Panginoon. Nasa sa iyo ang Espiritu ng Diyos. And that means holiness, it's not just for a chosen few. It is for all of us. Ano ibig sabihin nito para sa ating mga Kristiyano? Ito'y tawag sa atin para tumugon na kumbinsido tayo. Tapos nasa gawa rin yung ating pagtugon. To be holy is to reflect God's presence in the world through mercy, justice, forgiveness, and love. Pero ito yung challenge sa atin, yung hamon. How do we live this word today sa ating pagiging alagad? Perhaps it is by choosing God in the small decisions of daily life, by being faithful in prayer, or by showing kindness when it is most difficult. You know, holiness is not perfectionism, but it is belonging fully to God. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.